Wala lang?
Jackie. Jackie.
Daddy.
Mommy.
Nami.
Hi, Daddy.
It's 9:30 now, guys. Check out kami dito ng 10 o'clock. Hang on. Higa.
Mama.
Oh, siya tita dito. Oh, dito. Lucky girl. Lucky girl. Where's that?
Come on. Guys, come on. Come on.
Ayan ang damit ng ating baby Celine. Kasyang-kasya sa kanya. You look so cute! So cute! Alam niyo ba guys, yung bed na to ay very comfortable. Super comfortable. Daddy Mike's getting Ate Paris ready. She's also wearing a dress. So, earlier this morning, si Daddy Mike natin, siya kasi Ate Paris ay pumunta ng beach while baby Celine and Mama are sleeping. So, naglakad sila papuntang beach kasi sobrang lapit lang talaga dito guys. Like, it's less than 10 minutes na walk. So, naligo sila sa beach guys. Naghanap si Ate Paris ng mga shells while tulog si Mami niyo tsaka si baby Celine. So, pagka-uwi nila, dinalhan nila kami ng hot drinks. Tapos nagising kami, tapos nag-ready. Yan. So, nag-sleep in kami ni Baby. Very comfy dito. Very comfortable. And, ay, maglalagay na muna ako ng sunscreen. Shoes. Wow. Look at the Paris dress. Wow. So, nakapag-moisturizer na tayo, guys. Ito yung gamit ko ng moisturizer. Intense Care. Ano to siya? Tony Moly, ayan. Korean brand. Kasi, yan, ito ang aking moisturizer, ay yung aking sunblock. Kasi, napakaganda nito, guys. Like, I feel na kapag nilalagay ko na siya sa skin ko, like, hindi ko na kailangan mag-makeup. Para siyang, CC cream. Ano? Yes, la? Mami. So, labas na kami dito ngayon. Hanap kami ng breakfast. Tapos, idadrop namin yung sasakyan. Around 12 to 12:30 daw, sabi ni Manong kahapon. So, tingin-tingin na naman tayo sa city. Wala tayong mapuntahan malayo ngayon kasi hindi pwede tayo mag-drive ng malayo with our spare tire. Ayan. O, diba? Kaya, bets mo talaga ang ano na to. Nandiyan pa rin nating melasma. Hindi nawawala yan. My forever sa melasma. Dinala na gamit Daddy Mike yung mga gamit namin sa baba. So, ito na lang mga chichiburichi namin dito. Oh. Yes, princess? G! Come on now, let's go. No, you wanna stay here? Oh, yes! Hello, okay, you stay here. Bahala ka. Bahala ka. Welcome back next time, okay? Buwan lagi ka? I thought you were going to stay. Are you tricking me? Are you tricking me? Are you tricking me, you dong-dong? You dong-dong?
But it looks like there's nothing to see. Yeah, the reason why.
Yummy?
A few moments later.
Kapark lang namin guys. Tayo ay magbabayad lang muna ng parking. 248 10033. Okay. 2 hours maximum stay. Ang ating family ay nandun na. Naguna-una na. Up!
Ups.
Up!
Ups.
Go, go, go! Follow daddy. So we'll go to that cafe guys. So buy a leaf. We'll have something to
Daddy
eat.
lift. Carry.
Can hold mama lang. Ate, hold mama.
Let's go.
Hala, uy. Sige pa ngunit. Uy. Tingnan nyo. Yung aking Crocs ang suot-suot ni Daddy Mike ngayon. Kasi, yung binili ko sa kanya na Birkenstock ay malaki para sa kanya. Even though size 9. So, sa ulit namin ngayon, habang nandito kami, siya muna yung nagsuot-suot. Napakaliit sa kanya. Kaya hindi ko pa nasuot ang akin. Pretty good. Look here. Oh, this one looks nice too. So go follow daddy. This one? Yeah.
Good boy or girl?
This is a joke.
Alright, do you want banana bread then? Huh? So, ready to go? Oi. Stand back, please.
Yeah, we have ceviche.
What do you want? Alright, watch out.
We're done with our breakfast. So, maglalakad lang kami ngayon papunta ng Platypus kung saan namin binili yung Birkenstock ni Daddy.
But my tummy's getting big.
Because you had a lot of food. Didn't you? What did you have?
What breakfast?
Yeah.
I had
You already forgot him.
banana bread
Banana bread.
and the strawberries.
Good job. Leaning, this way. Come on. Goodness, baby Celine. Hey, come on. Celine is taking her time. Leaning. Ka, follow Ate Paris, look. Tinanggal ko na sapatos sa Ate Paris guys kasi meron siyang sugat ba sa kanyang left foot. Oh no, we're just going to Platypus. Yan na oh. Kaya daddy, quick. Go, go. Don't drop it. Anak ka lang. Daddy's gone. Bye. Bye, Daddy. Yeah, we'll go. We'll return Daddy's shoes, so we'll go get Band-Aid across the road. Go, go. Go. Batang ito, binilhan ng lip balm kahapon. Niwala. Binilhan ng tatay niya kaninang umaga. Kasi obsessed na obsessed sa lip balm. Binala na naman. O, pangatlo na to. Nandito kami sa chemist ngayon. Sige, choose which one so we can go. They're all nice. Yep, that one's nice. Yeah? Look here. Band-Aid. Not there.
No band-aid on this side. Wait, that's
No. Okay, have a
Wait,
look on the other side. Go on the other side. Okay, guys. Kabalik na kami dito sa sasakyan. Pero, babalik muna ako dun sa post office. Yes, post office na naman tayo. Kasi before kami umalis, galing ng ng Brisbane, guys. Binitbit ko tong dalawang bags na to. Kasi sabi ni ate, magbabayad daw siya ng Wednesday, which is kahapon. Tapos nag-message siya ngayon na ngayon siya magbabayad. Tapos na-receive ko na. Kaya ipopost ko na lang. Since nandito naman kami malapit sa post office. Ganyan talaga ang buhay, guys. Holiday, holiday. Yeah, sarap-sarap ha. Dapat may din. Business din minsan. Para makabawi. Uy. Okay. So, ito yung dalawang bags na ipopost ko. Yeah. Dalawang denim na LV. Yan. Hanap na namin yung car namin, guys. Kaalam. Sa street na yan. And we just stopped here para bumili ng maiinom. Pinapapanood namin ng nursery rhymes kasi ayaw namin makatulog siya, guys, kasi mahaba-haba pa yung flight. Mahaba-haba pa yung biyahe namin pa uwing Brisbane. So, 2 hours din yun. It's broken when the island. Drop it many times.
Thank you. There you are. That's a thank you. There you are. Thank you. That's a thank you. Thank you.
Here.
Sarap po ito, Sarah. Thank you.
Ayan ang aming drinks. Lemon lime. And then we have chips here. Para naman hindi masyadong nakahiya upo-upo dito. Tapos ng aming sasakyan, guys. Ayan. Na-fix na nila yung...
Mommy!
Yes, sweetheart.
Baba!
Baba? Bulingit ka? Bayad na sa daddy natin.
We'll get to enjoy that in the car on my way. So it's been a very
Time check tayo. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. Alam niyo ba, hindi pa kami nakauwi. So, we are stuck somewhere kasi merong car crash sa freeway na naging dahilan kung bakit sobrang traffic ngayon. So, tingnan nyo, yung mga sasakyan na yan, dito kami sa parang liblib na siya, guys. Hindi na siya, malayo na siya sa main road. Kasi ito yung binigay ng navigator na daanan na quicker way. But, dumating na kami doon kanina, may bumalik sa sasakyan, sabi na there's a 3-hour wait. So, the crash must be really big na kailangan maghintay ng ganyang katagal. So, yung mga sasakyan, hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin na. May papunta doon, may pabalik. So, Daddy Mike and I decided na mag-stop na lang kami. Baby Celine ay natutulog. At tagnan niyo sila, oh. Si Ate Paris, nagising rin from her nap. So, dito kami nag-park ng malapit sa park para makapaglaro. Yan. O, dito may tubig. Dito na lang kami mag-stay. Kisa naman, basta kami sa traffic, wala kami magagawa. Mga kids ay iiyak kasi mabuboard. So, hintayin na lang namin mag-clear up, guys. tsaka kami uuwi. Well, good thing is, hindi naman kami nagmamadali. Swing-swing na lang ang aming baby Celine. Habang naghihintay. Sobrang...
Daddy.
Yes, traffic is still very bad, guys.
Daddy.
Daddy! Apparently, meron daw sasakyan na caught on fire sa freeway. Kaya, ayan, traffic. Semi-trailer or something. Nagday! Buti na lang, maganda yung view dito. Oh. Yes, princess. Do you wanna come out now? Time check tayo, guys. Oh, yes, my love. So, it's 6 o'clock ng gabi. And guess what? Careful, anak. Careful. We are still stuck in here. Careful, Mama will get it for you. Mama will get it for you. So, di ba kanina, yung nag-vlog ako, 2 o'clock pa yun, di ba? So, 6 o'clock, nandito pa rin kami sa the same street, guys. Kasi, yeah, there's just no way na makaka-uwi kami, guys. Siguro, kanina, kung nag-stay talaga kami sa daan, we could have probably passed, but it would take a while. But, ayaw naming umalis kami and then ma-stuck kami sa daan kasi itong mga kids ay iiyak. I don't think they cleared it up yet, guys. Kaya sabi ko, Daddy Mark, stay na lang kami dito. Ayan, tingin kami ng menu. So, binigyan nila si Ate Paris ng ganyan para may magawa. And we're gonna have dinner here. Pag sleepy na yung mga kids, we'll put them in the car and then we'll go home. We'll drive home. So if there's no traffic, it's only like an hour and a half from here, guys. So it's not too bad. For us, kada ni Mike tsaka ako okay lang. Pero yung mga kids kasi, guys, na it's a nightmare mag-drive na may kids na paiyak-iyak ba. So, yeah, tingnan nyo. Oh. Don't put it in. Everybody's here now, guys. Woo! Careful, my love. So this is Daddy's. Oh my God, napilaki naman ang kanilang burger. This is Ate Paris. Ham and cheese spaghetti. Yeah, that looks really yum, honey.
Hello, guys. I'm just drawing.
Drawing. Buti na lang talaga, guys, nag-stop kami dito. Otherwise, it gets so boring.
How do you color that?
Okay. Oh, that's mixed now. Careful, not have a look, not careful. This. Shush, kumain na pala.
No chicken.
Finally, we're home. What's the time now? Ate, check the clock, babe. What's the time?
Huh?
Wow, that traffic is crazy. It's 9:19. Kakarating lang namin, guys. Dito siya hindi natulog, oh. Yung ating baby Celine ay natulog. God. Wow. Hagardo versus na si mami niyo. Ay, hindi muna namin dinala yung mga gamit namin. Gusto kong pumasok muna sa bahay. Baby sila nakagagat kay Daddy. Lini. Go. Hello, my princess. Okay. Princess.
Keys.